Well, this is it. My last day in the quiet villages and walking on the Camino. All packed and ready to go. That dog is living his best life right there. So this is how they're getting their ingredients for the restaurant. The tractor pulls up from the farm and delivers whatever they need to cook the food for the day. I love this town of Lires. It's beautiful. Look at this house. Absolutely beautiful little village here. The restaurants are amazing. The stays are super luxurious. Sitting area. I love all the sitting areas that they have along this Camino. Some people just have a bench right outside of their front house for pilgrims to just sit and rest. There's water, drinkable water throughout the countries, so you can just fill up your water bottles. But this is gorgeous. I don't know. That's a cemetery. Yes. Cemetery. And there's the church. And then you have the river here. It's just absolutely stunning. I'm in love with Lires. I would come back here and just spend a day. It's just the beauty. I almost walked right on him. You heard some screaming, man, if he had jumped. No arrow to the right, but Fisterra is our destination for today. Beautiful walk this morning. Today I find myself walking slowly, not because anything is bothering me. Actually, it's easier, the climbs, the walking, because I've been doing it now for 3 weeks, pretty much every single day. But I just don't want it to end. It's been so awesome. So I'm just taking my time today. I have all day long and a day off tomorrow. I mean, this is how I'm ending, and these ferns are, some of them are taller than I am along the side of this beautiful, beautiful forest road. What a beautiful home on that hill, and you can see we're heading back towards the water again. Woohoo!
Ya igual. Es que estábamos mirando que hemos reservado en Muxia y no nos dejaba ver. Y en cambio, en los WhatsApp con el señor sí que hemos podido. Que quedan unos 20 kilómetros aún, ¿no?
That was a tough climb up, but look how beautiful that is. I can't even capture how beautiful. I'm at the Ancora Hotel in Fisterra. Amazing, amazing. Wait till you see my room. I just went and scheduled a massage, €35 for 60 minutes. There's a kitchen, laundry, nice sitting area right outside my room. And I am in 303. And look at this. This was 30 something euro a night. I paid $80 with the tax, 80 euros for 2 nights. I have this skylight which opens, hot tea, water, some snacks, a giant bed, fan, there's a TV behind me, and nice bathroom. I'm so happy right now. I'm here for 2 nights. We're walking from Fisterra up to the lighthouse. It's about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on your pace. I wanted to take the more natural route, but really had difficulty figuring it out. Nobody's really done any good information. It's just some generic maps and apps. That's not how I like to go into nature. So I'm doing the road walk. It's not as bad as I thought. You do have buses and cars, but there's a walking path, so you're not on the road. But it's a nice walk so far. All right, let's go find the end of the world. Fisterra is located on the westernmost point of the Iberian Peninsula and has historically been referred to as the end of the world. Many pilgrims choose to walk to Fisterra as a symbol of the end of their Camino journey. I am so very grateful for this experience, the wonderful people that I have met, the culture that I have experienced, the history that I have walked through, the wonderful cups of coffee, and the excellent food, and the beautiful stays. Thank you for watching my videos, and don't ever be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone and try something new.